Morning, reseller friends. It's Yvonne. Here's just a down and dirty, no fluff, what sold. So, antique Japanese cloisonne chargers. These turned out to be my first antique sales. I think they were $7.99 a piece at the Goodwill, and it took me a while to list them. I wasn't sure if I wanted to. Good sale though. This was amazing. I found two of these, $3.99 a piece. This was just a couple months ago. One has a chip on it, so I'm keeping it to upcycle. But I sold this one pretty quickly for $4.25. Just kind of like Lalique looking. Okay, here's the fire and light that I've been talking about, and there is a video if you want to learn more about it. So this is a 1995-96 to 2019 when this company closed. So it didn't start out that expensive, but now that they're closed, people are wanting to get it before it's all gone. So I was lucky and found several pieces and went for crazy money. Bit of a learning curve on this recycled art glass because some of it isn't signed, but I did do a video on it. So I sold 4 of these, anywhere from $72 to $60. Go see that video because we need to save this art glass. We do. It was made in California, Humboldt County, California. Award-winning company. This is the artist from Canada, Michael Harvey, and he's kind of like an Andy Warhol of like ceramics or something. He does everyday items in ceramic. And this was just a box, a shipping box, but it's ceramic. So $200. Loved this. Almost kept that, but I'm like, where am I going to wear that? But it was just the mermaid theme, I think. But yeah, I finally got something on this retro. $88. I paid about $6 or $7 for it, if I remember correctly. Good sale. Just some miscellaneous Harley stuff that I picked up for near nothing, and I just decided to see if I could just bundle it all together, you know, and just be done. So it fit into a large flat rate box, and someone popped on it. Just some unusual Harley stuff. I found 2 Roseville ceramics the other month, and this one sold first. The other one has a little chip on it, so it may take a little longer. Nice little jardiniere. I had to make sure it was real, and it was. That was my first Roseville, so you want to learn about that. This is not super popular, but she does have some notoriety or whatever on the internet. Just super cool. It was real little. Just super cool, and I held out on my price. It's just the way it was layered. This was signed, so Native American Indian. I got to put Cherokee because it was signed, and I verified who it was. And his piece here sold for $50. I believe he's still active. Yeah, he's still active. I want to say Oklahoma, but I'm not sure. I had this for a while. I would not come off the price. It is huge. And it is awesome. Perfectly done. So finally got a good price for it. I love that so much. Needlepoint, you guys. So always check the linens and stuff. Yes, still checking dolls. I don't know a lot about dolls, but you know, I sold that Japanese doll. You guys are probably tired of hearing about it, but for $150. So I found one that was somewhat decent. I think she was about $3.99 at the ARC thrift store. So, oh, loved glasses. Sold quite a few of those vintage glasses that some of you watched me list and we talked about. Those were super cool right there. Super cool. Okay, what's next? Oh, I had to get help with this. I'm like, no markings. I'm like, what would you guys call this? A bud vase? It just seems like it's something more special. So some people suggested a lacrimatory. Never heard of that. Tear catcher. That worked. It's so cute. All right, that's all, you guys. Down and dirty. Like I said, no fluff. If you go look at my sales on my Mile High Scene eBay store if you want to see the rest of the items, more like everyday items that are still worth some money. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.